A model train set is a miniature representation of a railroad system that typically includes model trains, tracks, scenery, and various accessories. Enthusiasts, hobbyists, and collectors often build and operate model train sets as a form of recreation and to recreate realistic railroading scenarios on a smaller scale. Model train sets come in various scales and can range from simple layouts to elaborate and detailed dioramas. Components of a model train set. Model trains. Model trains are scale replicas of real trains and come in various scales, such as Ho, 1 to 87, N, 1 to 160, O, 148, and G, 1 minute 22 seconds and 5 milliseconds. The choice of scale determines the size of the trains and the layout. Tracks. Tracks form the foundation of the model train layout and come in different configurations, including straight tracks, curves, switches, and crossings. The arrangement of tracks determines the layout's complexity and the types of operations possible. Power supply. Model trains are powered by electricity, typically supplied through the tracks. The power supply may include a transformer or controller that allows users to adjust the speed and direction of the trains. Scenery. Scenery elements are used to recreate landscapes and environments. This includes miniature trees, buildings, roads, bridges, tunnels, mountains, and other features. Scenery adds realism to the model train set and allows enthusiasts to create specific scenes or settings. Buildings and structures. Model buildings and structures, such as stations, depots, factories, and houses, contribute to the overall atmosphere of the layout. Many hobbyists enjoy detailing and customizing these structures to enhance realism. Figures and vehicles. Miniature figures of people and animals, as well as model vehicles, can be placed throughout the layout to add life and movement. These elements help tell a story and create a sense of scale. Control systems. Advanced model train sets may include digital control systems that allow for more precise operation, including the control of multiple trains independently. Digital systems can also enable sound effects and other features. How model train sets recreate railroading scenarios. Realism. Model train enthusiasts strive for realism in their layouts. They meticulously recreate landscapes, architecture, and even historical or geographic features to capture the essence of real railroads. Operations. Model train layouts often include operational elements that mimic the activities of a real railroad. This may involve scheduling trains, coordinating movements, and managing freight or passenger operations. Scale modeling. Model train sets adhere to specific scales to ensure accurate representation. The scale determines the size relationship between the model and the real-world object. Common scales include Ho, N, O, and G, each with its own level of detail and size. Historical and geographic themes. Some model train enthusiasts choose specific historical eras or geographic locations as themes for their layouts. This allows them to replicate specific periods or regions in intricate detail. Creative expression. Building and operating a model train set is a form of creative expression. Hobbyists use their imagination to design layouts, create scenes, and tell stories through their miniature worlds. Community and clubs. Many model train enthusiasts join clubs or communities where they can share ideas, learn new techniques, and showcase their layouts. Model train exhibitions and events provide opportunities for enthusiasts to display their work and connect with others who share similar interests. Educational value. Model train sets can have educational benefits, especially for those interested in engineering, history, geography, and craftsmanship. Building and maintaining a layout involve problem-solving, attention to detail, and a hands-on approach. Model train sets have been popular for many decades, and the hobby continues to evolve with advancements in technology and materials. Whether for the joy of building, the satisfaction of creating a realistic world, or the nostalgia of trains, model train sets offer a unique and engaging hobby for enthusiasts of all ages.